Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to show these two, and look, the skin is, when I ripped it apart, when I start fixing them, the skin is different, like, look, this one's gray and black, yeah, look, it's gray and black. They do break a little bit. These gray and black skins, they do break. I gotta be careful to this one. And this toy is from this birthday dog. And this one's just white. And look at the motor. The motor's red. And this one's motor is, it's white. It has a white motor. And this one has a red motor. So, yep, so this one's white. And this one's from this Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head sheepdog here. No problems for these two. I just checked the skin when the dogs with no skin when I ripped it, when I cut this open. There's nothing wrong with these two. I'm just letting you guys know of these two dogs' skin. They're different, and the motor's different too. I'm just letting you guys know if these two dogs' skin is different. Yeah. The gray and black skin do break a little bit. I'm just letting you guys know that the skin is different on both of these when I cut this open, like this circle here for the barrel compartment. So okay, so goodbye and have a good day. Oh, and look, yeah, everything is black and gray, and the motor's red, and this one's white, and the motor is white on this one. So goodbye and have a good day. Goodbye and have a good day.